This is Jon Traunfeld with the University of Maryland Extension, here with a low-cost alternative deer fence. It's just about 6.5 feet tall. It's got a few lines of heavy wire going all the way around, and then vertically you can see fishing line, just inexpensive fishing line, woven in any pattern that you like. I've had this up for 3 years now, and I've yet to have the deer get through it. And we have lots of deer in our area. And at the bottom you can see chicken wire, and that's there, of course, to keep groundhogs and rabbits from feeding on the garden. About 3 years ago, I had a similar fence, but I used the fishing line horizontally. I had about 6 runs of fishing line that went all the way around the fence, and the deer did get through it. And so what we have here is just using the fishing line in a vertical pattern, and that really has deterred the deer.